Faceless YouTube automation. Are you ready to uncover the secrets behind the faceless YouTube automation? Well, get ready because we've got some mind-blowing insights for you. Have you ever wondered how some channels consistently churn out content without showing their faces? It all comes down to clever automation techniques. So, how does it work? These creators use voiceover narration, stock footage, and creative editing to produce captivating videos without ever revealing their identity. With the power of technology, they can seamlessly stitch together different clips, adding eye-catching visuals and background music to engage the audience. But here's the big question: why do some YouTubers choose to stay faceless? It allows them to focus on delivering exceptional content without distractions. It's all about letting the audience's imagination run wild. By staying faceless, creators can also connect with a broader range of viewers, making their content more relatable to a diverse audience. Some channels even adopt animated avatars or mascots to represent them. These characters become memorable icons, instantly recognizable by their audience. While faceless YouTube automation can be a game changer, it's essential to maintain authenticity. Building trust with your audience is crucial, so being transparent about your processes is key. So, now that you know the secrets behind faceless YouTube automation, why not give it a try for yourself? Remember, it's all about embracing technology while remaining true to your values and connecting with your viewers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting insights and creative tips.